Is it true you must see a heartbeat at 6 weeks? Or it means something's wrong? Let's clear that up. If you're 6 weeks pregnant or you think you might be, and now you've got an ultrasound scheduled, what are you supposed to see? A baby, a heartbeat, or just a tiny circle on the screen? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through exactly what a 6-week ultrasound should and sometimes shouldn't show, so you know what to expect and when to breathe easy. At 6 weeks, the pregnancy is still in its early stages, but important structures are already forming. Let's go through them one by one. Gestational sac. The first thing we look for is the gestational sac, a black, round, fluid-filled area inside the uterus. This confirms that the pregnancy is intrauterine and not ectopic. The yolk sac. Inside the gestational sac, we expect to see a yolk sac, a small round structure that provides nutrients to the embryo. It is often the first visible sign of a viable pregnancy. Next, we may see a fetal pole, a tiny thickened line near the yolk sac. This is the beginning of your baby. If we are lucky, especially with the transvaginal ultrasound, we might catch the flicker of a heartbeat. That usually starts around 6 weeks and is a reassuring sign. If the fetal pole is visible, we measure the crown rump length, which helps us estimate how far along the pregnancy is with great accuracy. Now, it's important to remember every pregnancy develops a little differently. Sometimes, especially if your dates are off, we might only see a gestational sac at 6 weeks, and that can still be completely normal. A follow up scan in a week often gives more answers. When to worry? If there's a gestational sac or it's too small with no yolk sac or fetal pole after 6 weeks, that could suggest a problem like a blighted ovum or miscalculated dates. But again, timing is everything. So to summarize, at 6 weeks, the gestational sac should be visible, yolk sac confirms viability, fetal pole may be seen, heartbeat may be detected, and dates can be off. Repeat scan is common. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our future videos, including what to expect at 7 and 8 weeks. Drop your questions in the comments below, and congratulations if you're expecting.